Hi, Hamish Balderston from McGrath. It's my pleasure today to welcome you along to a beautiful home, architecturally designed, and as you'll see as we walk through, some beautiful features, perfect for the growing family or those looking for some extra in-law accommodation. You'll be delighted to entertain family and friends in a large eat-in kitchen opening onto a deck which overlooks the stunning forest side pool. Louver windows are a feature of this home, perfect for capturing those cooling breezes on warm summer days. As you've been able to see, this is a beautiful one-of-a-kind home set in a beautiful bushland setting. For your opportunity to own this property, please come along to one of our upcoming open homes or call myself, Hamish Balderston, or Trudy Fernandez.